You are brainwashed to believe the Americans are better than you. Why you are supporting Superman and Spider-Man? Why you don't ask who's under that mask? Eh? But you want to ask for me who's under this mask. You don't know that no one is existing under this mask. Once this mask is off, there's no longer Mzekete. It does not matter who's inside the mask. Whether it's you, whether it's Jacob Zuma, whether it's Julius Malem or it's DJ Spoo, does not matter who's inside this mask. The only thing that is mattering here is this mask. If Americans can do it with Superman, why can't I do it with Mzeze? Because Mzeze is gonna be here forever.
I want a life I deserve. Fuck all the hype, man, I'll piss on your verve. I check your bitch cause you bought her a whip and I don't give a shit. And ngifuna imali, khohlwa mabhadi. Ngeke ngizodliwa bombali, ngiyakutshela wemngani. Ludo lohambo ngiyabonga wemdali. Ngizoshisa nempepho, ngizobonga abaphansi. Thenge nesilwane, ngizochitha igazi. Ibusiso zande, inyuku yimpande. Yobukhazikhazi, bathi isono. Kodwa nginombono, yempilo engqono. Ngibe nolwazi, ngizoqinisa umqondo. You know that I'm driven. Rap is religion, I value more, I value women. Already for children to love by your house and I open the door. Scream that I'm living, my visions are vivid. Dreams are too timid. This for the children who got them as fuck cause they fucked with the system to turn them to cowards. Who scared of building and chasing no women. Thinking they living, they just keep on building. Wearing designer but never had buildings. They stuck up on feelings. Fucked with the bitches, they turn them to bitches. They never stop snitching but I'm on pursuit. My young bees and my hands keep on itching. I break the boss down, they'll go charge me for treason. Mind you, this only beginning. Don't care if I'm sinning, I'm aiming for winning. When I'm in the building, it's fuck you very much to all of you and your children.